What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Do not get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy? Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you is you? Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about how to stay motivated always and achieve our goals. Let's proceed. Before that, please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned with upcoming motivational videos. Excuses sounds best to the person who is making them up. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Get off the pity potty, telling everybody that you are sad and sob stories. Trying to get people to show up to your pity parties and your pity parades. If you ever see me in a Rolls Royce or 5 or 7-star hotel living my life to the fullest, don't get jealous of me because I worked my ass off to get it. Nobody handed me nothing. Wake your ass up. Awaken the beast inside you. It's game on. It's go season. It's time for you to take advantage of the access and the resources that you have in your community, in your family, in your country. You got a problem with your life. You got a problem with your environment. Do something about it. If you want it, go get it. Recognize the excuses are not valid. They are conjured up. They are fabricated. They are lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. And the truth is, you have time. You have the skill. You have the knowledge and the support and the willpower and the discipline to get it done. The fruit of everything good in life begins with a challenge. Everything is uphill that's worthwhile, and it's not going to come to you, and it's not going to fall on your lap, and it's not going to be something that, oh my gosh, it just was so simple. It's always going to be difficult. If you want it, you go to get it. This is your chance. This is your shot. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your place. This is your opportunity. So, say this to self. This is my time. This is my moment. Tomorrow, there is no such thing as tomorrow. You only got today. It's your dream. If you are going to have it, get your butt up and make it happen. If you are going to have it, rise and grind. You still got work to do. You know what I hear? I hear the clock ticking, and time waits for no one. Life goes by, and it goes by quick. Don't waste these years. Don't waste them. Live them. I want you to be terrified of sitting on the sideline and doing nothing. Waking up in 6 days or 6 weeks or 6 years or 60 years and being no closer to your goal. You have made no progress. That is the nightmare. That is what you are really need to be afraid of, being stagnant. So get up and go. That idea isn't going to execute itself. That book isn't going to write itself. Those weights out in the gym, they aren't going to move themselves. You have to do it. You have to do it now. Don't wait anymore. Don't think anymore. Don't plan anymore. Don't contemplate anymore. Don't make any more excuses or justification. Don't rationalize anything else. Now, take the risk, take the gamble, take the first step, take action now. No more dreaming. Dreaming is over. I need specifics. What are you going to do on Monday? What are you going to do on Tuesday? What are you going to do on Wednesday? You need to be specific. It's time to put your pieces together of your puzzle. You need to be in a big damn hurry. Time is running out on you, because if we don't, nobody else will. Stop wasting valuable time. If we begin to live our life as if each day is our last, our lives will take on a whole new meaning. So take your life seriously and live the day and achieve your goal. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.